In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the knock sensor on this Nissan Rogue. It's going to be located on the back side of the engine. Let's get into it. Now we're going to remove the wheel, use a 21mm socket. And remove the wheel. You can see on the back side of the engine where the knock sensor is. I'm going to use a 12mm socket. Take this bolt out. Once you loosen it, you can do it by hand. Pull that out. Now to disconnect the connector, there is a little clip on here. I'm just going to use a pick and just try to take this clip off. Or just move it so you can disconnect it. Just get underneath. There we go. You want to be careful not to lose it. Pull that clip out. And just grab the sensor and disconnect it. Take the new sensor. Just be careful, do not drop the sensor. It is sensitive. Plug that in the connector. Then we're going to take that clip and reinstall the clip. That's lined up. I'll just push it down in place. And just lock that in place. That looks good. Get this lined up. And get the bolt started. And it's important to torque it properly to 16 foot-pounds. There we go. Now you can reinstall the wheel. Take the wheel and slide it in place. Get the lug nuts, get those started. Snug those down. Now I'm going to torque the lug nuts to 83 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.